Hi! I am not going to dilly-dally in this video because I'm just so excited to try this hack out. Ever since I posted my Dyson Airwrap review, I kept getting tagged and DM'd in all these repost pages on Instagram who posted this girl who kind of hacked the Dyson Airwrap and created her own version. Pretty much the tagline was, if you can't afford a Dyson Airwrap. And I thought it was really clever of her to kind of think of this idea. I don't know who the original artist is because they weren't tagged in any of the reposts, so if you guys do know who it is, please put her in the comment section below so that I can give her credit, because this is not my idea. I just think it's so clever and I just really want to try it out. So my hair right now is on its third day. I wasn't about to wash my hair all over for this because ain't nobody got time to wash booty length hair all the time, okay? But this is pretty much third day hair after I used the Airwrap styler on my hair, and I actually ended up liking the way that it looks after 2 or 3 days when the curl and the weird kink eventually fell. It looked like I blow dried my hair and I like that look. So after 3 days, it's a go for me. All you need for this hack is a water bottle. Now before I get any comments about drinking fancy water, I went out and bought this, and it was painful for me to spend $4 on a bottle of water when water is free. In this house, we drink tap water, so I just bought this one because, of course, the biggest issue that I had with the Airwrap is the length of the barrel, and this seemed like a big enough barrel to curl my long hair. We're gonna be cutting this bottle up, but don't worry, the water will not be going to waste. I will be transferring it to my sippy cup because we gotta stay hydrated and mind our own business around here, okay? The other thing that you will need is a blow dryer, and ironically, my blow dryer is the Dyson one, so Dyson is still included in this video. I love the Dyson blow dryer. It's the one that I use all the time. It's small, it's powerful, it gets the job done really well. It's just an overall really good blow dryer. And since my hair is dry, it's not damp, you need to have damp hair for this, I'm just going to be re-wetting it with some water. Don't let the label fool you, this is not rose water, I'm just reusing the bottle with water. Let's see if this tastes like a $4 bottle of water. I've never had smart water before. Okay, the first test is to see why this bottle of water costs $4. I actually like my tap water better. I don't know, maybe because it's free, but I'm just gonna draw some lines on where I want to cut the bottle so that it turns into the perfect barrel for my hair. So of course, we're gonna be cutting the tip off. I don't want to lose any of the length, so I'm just gonna draw my line right where the bottle curves. I'm just going to create a opening on where my blow dryer can go in from to dry my hair. So I'm just going to grab my blow dryer and measure out how big the spout of, is that what it's called? The spout? The bottom will go somewhere like a little lower than middle, I think. This is our tool. It's going to go like this. The video that I saw, the girl just put one whole side of hair into it, but I have a lot of hair and I think that's going to end up being a mess, so I'm just going to section my hair off into two. So horizontally like this until both sections are pretty even in thickness. I think they are. I'm going to do the entire bottom section first, and then we'll move on to the top section. Let's wet the hair. Let's see how this goes. I hope my hair isn't in a knot ball, but let's see what happens. It's in a little bit in a knot. Before, after. Y'all ready for this? So because my hair is so long, it does knot in the bottom, but it's not like a knot that I can't get my fingers through. It kind of just wraps itself around the hair. Let's do these two sections, shall we? This actually looks kind of nice. It's not uniform, but it has like this bedhead look to it, which is nice. It has curls in some spots, and then in some spots it doesn't. But I mean, I'm not really expecting anything crazy from a $4 bottle of water. I am really not mad at how it turns out. Like, I keep looking at my monitor and I really like it. Like, it looks like messy, bedhead, effortless wave, like those sexy Victoria's Secret waves. I really like it. Surprisingly, it worked really well. Do I recommend doing this? No, because I don't know what kind of heat damage it can cause to your hair. This plastic gets really hot. But it was a really cool hack to try out, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Like, I thought, yeah, that looks really cool on Instagram. I don't know how it's gonna work in real life, but it turned out pretty well. If you do like this kind of style though, I recommend just spraying your hair with some water like how I did for this, and then just tie your hair into some bantu knots while you do your makeup, or while you're cooking, or while you're doing something, and let the damp hair dry, and you'll get a similar effect to this. So that's about it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please, I know this gets really annoying to hear from YouTubers, but please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. It really helps me out. Your girl is struggling here on YouTube, but I'm trying to put out more content. I really want my page to be a place where we can all come and just get away from it all, even if it is just for a few minutes, and just have some fun, play around with makeup, do our hair, do some DIYs, vlog. I don't know, this used to be my safe place and a happy place for me, and I really missed being on YouTube. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you want to see some more testing hack videos like this in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!